You've probably heard of Kajabi, the powerhouse for course creators, but with different pricing plans. How do you choose the one that's perfect for you? Let's demystify this together. Kajabi offers a spectrum of plans, each tailored for different stages of your course creation journey. Starting with the basic plan, it's the foundation, designed for those taking their first steps in the course world. Remember, every empire starts with a single step. I still remember the thrill of launching my first course, the blend of excitement and anticipation. If you're at that pivotal moment, the basic plan might be your starting point. As you gain momentum, you might find yourself gravitating towards the growth plan. With advanced automations and affiliate capabilities, it's like having an extended team supporting your vision. Scaling up, reaching a wider audience, it's a transformative phase. And during my expansion, Kajabi's growth plan was right there, amplifying my reach. For those who've reached the pinnacle, there's the Pro plan. It's the elite platform, designed for course creators who demand nothing but the best. Building my enterprise, I needed robustness and flexibility. The Pro plan delivered on both fronts. But it's not just about having more, it's about precision, tailoring your content, and delivering an unparalleled experience to your students. So, whether you're just starting out or scaling to new heights, Kajabi has a plan tailored for you. It's been an integral part of my journey, and it could be a pivotal part of yours. Your course, your vision, powered by Kajabi. Choose wisely, and I'll see you at the top. And if you're ready to embark on this journey with Kajabi, I've got something special for you. Sign up using the link below. And not only will you get a taste of Kajabi's magic, but you'll also receive bonuses worth $5,995 exclusively from me. It's my way of ensuring you kickstart your course creation journey with the best tools in hand. These bonuses are handpicked to complement your Kajabi experience and to give you that extra edge in the course market. Remember, in the world of online courses, having the right platform can make all the difference. So, make your choice, seize the opportunity, and let's create something legendary together. Until next time, to your success.